Hello friends, good morning. How are you all? Hope all are fine. Now we are going to see chapter 4, that is pronouns. Standard 6th, chapter 4, pronouns. Read the following paragraph. John and Mary lived just outside the town. John and Mary decided to visit John and Mary's grandmother. Miss Anna. So John and Mary left by bus. On the way, John and Mary stopped to buy some snacks for Miss Anna. John and Mary reached Anna's house. When Miss Anna saw John and Mary, Miss Anna was delighted and requested John and Mary to stay for dinner. John and Mary thanked Miss Anna for the kindness Miss Anna had shown. Imagine how uninteresting it sounds when you read such matter with repetitive words. Hence, in order to break the unpleasantness, nouns can be replaced by words which are known as pronouns. The sum paragraph is more pleasant to hear when read thus. So, dear students, this is a story, or this is a paragraph about John and Mary who went to visit Miss Anna. So, dear friends, let us see. John and Mary lived just outside the town. They decided to visit their grandmother, Miss Anna. So they left by bus. On the way, they stopped to buy some snacks for her. They reached Anna's house. When she saw them, she was delighted to request them to stay for dinner. They thanked her for kindness she had shown. A word that is used in place of a noun is called pronoun. So, for example, I will tell you his, her, him, then she. Okay, these are pronouns. So let us see. In first sentence, Satish is a good student. He is clever at studies. So what is the pronoun here? He. Noun is what? Satish, and pronoun he. Sanya opened the window. She was feeling hot. Okay, so noun is Sanya and pronoun is she. Maria and Daisy have a pet dog. So they loved it very much. So Maria and Denzel both are nouns, and what is pronoun? They. Okay, so dear students, you all now came to know what are the pronouns. The children and I went on picnic. We had a good time. So instead of repeating the name, or instead of repeating the noun of person, instead of putting noun, they put pronoun. Let us see kinds of pronoun. She read the following sentences. She is reading a magazine, so pronouns is she. In the second sentence, we shall visit the old fort tomorrow. We. The ants are always busy. They are industrious insects, so they. You are very helpful and kind. You. So the underlined words stand in the place of person or thing. Pronoun that stands for persons or things are called as a personal pronoun. So we will see exercise number 4. Put a circle around the pronoun. So the students, I have put it with the pencil. When Akbar heard this, he burst out laughing. So this and he both are pronoun. You are the greatest of the kings. You is the pronoun. Tell me at least one thing that I can do, but God Almighty will not be able to do. So me and I both are pronoun. Next, when it starts raining, we all gather at our favorite grasslands where there are no people to disturb us. It and we. It helps me to impress my soulmate. So it and me both are again pronoun. We are afraid of hunters that kill us for fun. We and us. Can you help us? you and us. He wove beautiful fabrics and saris. He is a pronoun. If you tear it apart with hasty, thoughtless actions, it will be destroyed. It will be destroyed. So, you and it both are pronoun. We get them in attractive packets or pouches. We and them. She was so well trained in karate that no one could beat her. So she won and her. Why won children now? That no one. Here there is a person mentioned, but instead of mentioning person they have put no one. So the one will be the pronoun. You are stronger and smarter than her. You and her. When you boil it in water, it makes a delicious, nourishing soup. You eat and eat. Luckily, I had just few left. So I is a pronoun. I am really speechless, you noble ladies. So you is the pronoun. You are all being so kind and helpful. You. He accepted his defeat. He. He gave a special part on the back of the clean bridge. So he is a pronoun. It acted as a spiritual stimulant to him. So he is a pronoun. It refreshed him and infused new strength in him. So both the hymns are pronouns. I am getting tired of this. So this is a pronoun. You have done a splendid job of bringing up the heir to the British throne. So you is the pronoun. I shall wait for you return. I. He opened the casket, but it was not the right one. He and it. He thought to himself, I too have tortured my body to starvation. So I, he, I and my. So dear friends, we have seen the pronoun I, then my, he, she, him, that, then no one, okay, it, you. These are all pronouns. So we have finished up the lesson number 4, that is pronoun. So dear students, read this whole chapter and see which are pronouns. Thank you.